In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your very own Zoho Mail account quickly and easily. Zoho Mail is a great choice for personal email, offering a clean interface and powerful features, perfect for managing messages, organizing your inbox, or sending notes to friends. First, open your web browser and go to zoho.com/mail. On the home page, look for personal email and click it. This option is ideal for individual use, giving you plenty of storage and features like filters and folders to keep your inbox organized. Next, you will be taken to the registration page. Fill in your details carefully. Enter your full name, then choose your Zoho email address in the format your name at zoho.com. Pick something memorable and professional. After that, create a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Now enter your mobile number. Zoho will send you a verification code via SMS. Check your phone, enter the code on the registration page, and confirm your number. And that's it. Your new Zoho Mail account is ready to use. You can start exploring your inbox, customize settings, and begin sending and receiving emails immediately. Your email address, your name at zoho.com, is now active and ready to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials